It may seem tough to move large pieces of furniture by oneself. But with a little bit of knowledge and the appropriate equipment, you can move even the biggest items with ease without harming your floor or yourself. You must first obtain some supplies. A furniture dolly, some moving straps, and some furniture padding are required. All of these things are available at your neighborhood hardware shop. You may go rolling as soon as you get your materials. Put the furniture dolly underneath the item of furniture you want to transfer first. After that, wrap the dolly and the furniture with the moving straps. Finally, use the furniture pads to protect the furniture from being harmed by the straps. These easy suggestions will make moving heavy furniture a breeze. 8 tips on how to move heavy furniture by yourself. There are some things in life that are just better with help. Moving heavy furniture is one of them. Even if you're strong, trying to move a dresser or couch by yourself can be daunting and dangerous. That's why we've put together this quick guide on how to move heavy furniture by yourself. With a few tips and tricks, you'll be able to move even the heaviest pieces with ease. So before you call for backup, read on to find out how to do it by yourself. Tip 1. Remove any obstacles. Getting rid of anything that may trip you up or cause you to fall is perhaps one of the most crucial suggestions in our tutorial on how to move heavy furniture alone. There must not be any toys, footwear, bubble wrap, or cardboard boxes on the ground or in the pathways. In a similar vein, make sure your children are supervised at all times and confine your pets to a certain area. Tip 2. Dress the part. Next, look closely at your closet while determining how to move large furniture properly. To begin with, wearing the wrong shoes will make it difficult for you to move large items. High heels and flip-flops are strictly prohibited. Select closed-toed footwear with a non-slip bottom, in case you drop something on your foot. Wear light, loose, and breathable shirts and bottoms, since wearing tight clothing might cause the fabric to split. Tip 3. Protect your furniture and the premises. Be prepared for some bumps along the route if you're hauling large goods. Wrap your goods in plastic or bubble wrap to preserve them as well as your space. Is upholstered furniture being moved? Look into chair and couch covers made of plastic. You can always cover your furniture with old blankets or sheets if you're in a bind. Tip 4. Get equipped. Avoid using force while moving large pieces of furniture. Get these tools before the big day to carry heavy furniture safely and prevent harm to your arms, back, and legs. Tip 5. Stretch beforehand. Even if you might think we're making things up, we're not kidding. If you wouldn't stretch before weightlifting or a marathon, why would you skip it before moving heavy furniture? Your entire body is worked while moving furniture, and if you're not careful, you might strain and tear your muscles or, worse still, break your back. Stretching your sides, back, legs, and arms will help warm up your muscles and lower the chance of injury. Tip 6. Look into moving techniques. You undoubtedly already know that you should lift with your legs, but there are other movement techniques you should be aware of. When lifting or transporting furniture, keep your torso straight and avoid bending your knees. To aid in maintaining your balance, you should keep the item as close to your body as you can. Make sure you can see well in front of you most of all. Tip 7. Lighten the load. This is not a competition of strength. Remove the detachable components to make your things lighter. Remove all of the shelves from a dresser or desk before transferring it. A sofa? Take away the wooden legs. Make a list of all the heavy items you intend to transport and consider how you can reduce their weight. Tip 8. Follow the buddy system. Do not be afraid to ask for assistance if you are having trouble moving furniture on your own. After all, lifting big things on your own can be dangerous and lead to harm. See if you can get some friends or neighbors to assist you. Plan to transfer the very heavy items together and set them aside. In the end, take things easy and avoid pushing yourself over your boundaries. You won't get any prizes if you struggle through it all by yourself.